I am Ricky's teaching partner. My name is Suzuki. I will be explaining the content of this video to you. This video covers business and company law. I will share information on this topic using an example from a previous exam question that is part of the HKICPA QP Module 10, Business and Company Law. Let's begin discussing the topic now. The topic content relates to the law of contract, specifically focusing on contractual disputes. Question: Sam and Eric have been close friends for a number of years. Sam is a jewellery shop manager employed by company incorporated in Hong Kong, the company. Eric is a businessman. Sam was duly authorised by the company to negotiate the price with a potential buyer and sign an agreement on behalf of the company. Last Monday, Sam, on behalf of the company, offered to sell to Judy a precious white diamond for $3 million. Judy has been a long-time customer of the company and told Sam that she needed some time to consider the offer. Sam replied to Judy that he would keep the offer open until Sunday. On Wednesday, Sam told Eric that the precious white diamond to the company's long-time customer for $3 million was a good ideal. Sam said that he could make the same offer to Eric, provided that Eric agreed to pay a secret commission of $100,000 to Sam. On Thursday, Eric accepted the offer. Sam signed an agreement as an agent for the company with Eric and sold the precious white diamond to Eric at the same price without informing Judy. On Friday, during a party, Sam's colleague Tom told Judy about the sale of the precious white diamond. Judy was very angry as Sam promised to keep the offer open until Sunday. On Saturday, Judy sent out a letter to accept Sam's offer by post. The letter never reached Sam, as it was lost in transit. Required: apply contract law and analyse whether there is a valid contract between the company and Judy. The question requires candidates to analyse and discuss the contractual disputes between Judy and Sam on behalf of the company. This involves breaking down the case into components of contract law, such as offer, acceptance, consideration, and the postal rule, to demonstrate their understanding of its structure and meaning. More importantly, the content of the answers must directly relate to the case. We begin by examining the question for an initial analysis. The case involves 4 individuals: Sam, representing the company; Judy, a long-time customer; Eric, a businessman; and Tom, Sam's colleague. Offers were made to 2 individuals, Judy and Eric, on different days. Both Judy and Eric accepted the offer. After learning about the sale of the diamond, Judy sent a letter by post to accept Sam's offer. After identifying and analysing the question and its requirements, we can now begin answering the question. Before answering the question, it is better to create a timeline showing the dates of the offer, acceptance, and other important information between the individuals involved in the case. Here is the timeline. Monday. Sam, duly authorised by the company, made an offer of the diamond to Judy. Wednesday. Sam made the offer to Eric. Thursday. Eric accepted the offer. Friday. Tom, Sam's colleague, informed Judy about the sale of the diamond. Saturday. Judy accepted the offer by post. To determine whether there is a valid contract between the company and Judy, we need to analyse the situation based on the essential elements of a contract: offer, acceptance, consideration, intention to create legal relations, and capacity. 1. Offer. One party proposes terms to another. 2. Acceptance. The other party agrees to the terms. 3. Consideration. Something of value is exchanged between the parties. 4. Intention to create legal relations. There must be evidence that the parties intended the agreement to be subject to the law of contract. 5. Capacity. Both parties must have the legal ability to enter into the contract. The answer in this case should focus on the offer, acceptance, and consideration, as these elements are highlighted in the case. Although intention to create legal relations and capacity are also crucial elements of a valid contract, the primary focus should be on the aforementioned components. After identifying and analysing the question and its requirements, we can now begin answering the question. Answer. In this case, Sam made an offer to Judy and Eric to sell the precious white diamond for $3 million. This is a definite offer which is capable of being accepted as per the case of Carlyle v. Carbolic Smoke Ball Co. It was held that an offer is a willingness to be bound and is capable to be accepted by the offeree. Judy replied to Sam that she needed some time to consider the offer. Sam's reply also stated that he would keep the offer open until Sunday. Since Judy did not give any consideration for this promise as per the case of Routledge v. Grant, Sam was not bound by the promise, and the offer can be withdrawn at any time before acceptance. Consideration is defined as some right, interest, profit or benefit accruing to one party or some forbearance, detriment, loss or responsibility, given, suffered or undertaken by the other party in Curry v. Misa. Acceptance is an unqualified assent of the offer and actually communicated to the offerer, i.e., when Sam and Eric signed the agreement on Thursday. An offer may be revoked at any time before acceptance, provided that revocation is actually communicated to the offeree, either by the offerer or by a reliable third party, i.e., by Tom. Revocation may be express or implied. The offer was effectively revoked on Friday. In general, the contract is completed when the acceptance is received by the offerer, and the contract is made in the place where the acceptance is received, with exception of postal rule, as per the case of Adams v. Lindsell. In this case, Judy purported to post a letter to accept Sam's offer at $3 million on Saturday. The acceptance took effect on the date of posting, i.e. Saturday under the postal rule. However, the offer was revoked by Sam's colleague Tom on Friday prior to the acceptance by Judy on Saturday. Therefore, no valid contract had been formed between Judy and the company. In summary, addressing this question requires meeting the specified requirements to achieve the following elements. Offer. Sam, on behalf of the company, made an offer to Judy to sell the precious white diamond for $3,000. This offer was clear and definite. Acceptance. Judy expressed her need for time to consider the offer, and Sam agreed to keep the offer open until Sunday. However, before Judy could accept, Sam sold the diamond to Eric. Judy attempted to accept the offer by sending a letter on Saturday, but the acceptance was never communicated to Sam due to the letter being lost in transit. Revocation of offer. An offer can be revoked before it is accepted. In this case, Sam effectively revoked the offer to Judy by selling the diamond to Eric on Thursday. Judy was informed of this revocation on Friday by Tom. Therefore, the offer was no longer open for acceptance by Judy. Conclusion. Since the offer was revoked before Judy's acceptance was communicated, there is no valid contract between the company and Judy. The essential element of acceptance was not met, as the offer was no longer available when Judy attempted to accept it. Finally, it is crucial that the content of the answer is directly connected to the question to avoid losing significant marks. Additionally, include a simple conclusion to wrap up the response. The video discusses this point. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.